Uh, Good evening. Hope everything is going well. So this is one of the postdoctoral research position that is in Kansas University, and the details are given here. The position of the is based on the University of Kansas, and the part is hydroecology of anthropogenic landscape group, and the supervisor by Sam Japer in Kansas Geological Survey and Department of Geology. Basically, the starting of the date is January 2025, and is flexible, and the application deadline of review from June 3rd, 2024, review of application will begin. The work location mentioned here, and the position of work on site at the Lawrence and Kansas campus with possibility of hybrid remotes and as well as offline both. And the salary of employment, that is the $55,000 annually, and it is more or less 45 lakhs in Indian currency around. And you can see job descriptions here, and the things are positions requirement, means you need to be have a physically fit, mentally fit, and the field visit you can do easily. And required qualification you can see here, the important thing. So the description of research and educational experience in cover letter, then record of accomplishment like a, CV or resume, information from professional references, and the transcripts. So PhD, you must have a PhD in hydrology, soil, agriculture, or natural resource, and not more than 4 years. Okay, and the experience with field based research or water and programming experience in R or a comparable language, that is the R or Python, MATLAB, and Julia. So R is basically R and Python are both are the open source programming platform. So I recommend R is basically for statistical analysis. But in Python, you can do the data visualization and statistical analysis too. Even in R, you can do the data visualization. Experience working both independently and cooperatively means if they are required to work as independently, you have to write a project and do your work and do your lab work. And in terms of some research, you need a multidisciplinary approach. Then you have to go for the collaboration. A strong communication skills. How to present yourself, so that is important. And not to be to be appointed the postdoctoral research title, it is necessary to have PhD conferred at the time of hire. So preferred qualifications, familiarity with agriculture management practice, central US as evidenced by application material, experience working as a part of interdisciplinary team, and these things. Additional candidate instructions, so cover letter not more than 3 pages, CV including past educational qualification and research, peer reviewed publications and transcript, and the contact information means reference from the three faculty or supervisor or any international collaboration to whom you have worked. Review application begin, that is the June 3rd, 2024, and contact information for details. You need to have a contact with Sam Jeeper at ku.edu, and for HR questions contact and Delaney at the rate ku.edu. So advertised salary, that is the $55,000, and work schedule is 8 to 5 p.m. Application review begins and it's pated. So I request you, those who are interested, kindly apply it. And at the end of the day, I request you, so kindly subscribe my channels and share it. And if there is some comment and like and share, so kindly put your queries. So okay, and have a nice day. And because your single comment motivate me to inspire me to make a such type of videos. So thank you once again and have a good luck.